Hi friends, Simit here from informedtrades.com. Another video on the psychology of trading and some psychological tactics or perspective you can use to help you keep your poise and overcome any psychological challenges you're having. This is about the 4 truths of trading, another concept from Mark Douglas, author of Trading in the Zone. Key points: there are 4 truths: unpredictability, probability, having an edge, and uniqueness. Douglas has 5 truths. I've just sort of consolidated to these 4 for simplicity purposes. Accepting these truths can help you overcome your fears in trading. Fear is the big challenge: fear of losing, fear of being wrong. We covered this in the last video. So understanding these truths, really appreciating them, can help us overcome our fears. Again, credit for these concepts definitely goes to Mark Douglas, the author of the book Trading in the Zone. We have a bunch of discussions about him and some videos from him on Informed Trades as well. First point is unpredictability. The future is unpredictable, the market is unpredictable, so on some level that needs to be accepted. Trying to predict the future with certainty is a flawed strategy. If you accept the truth that the market is unpredictable, you can, overcome many of your fears about needing to be right, about never losing, things like that. It's unpredictable, and you sort of have to operate from within that paradigm. Because it's unpredictable, really, is the second truth, which is that it's a game of probability. So while we cannot predict with certainty what's going to happen, we can sort of look at it from a probabilistic perspective, understanding, there's X% chance of this happening, Y% chance of this happening when these criteria are met. Once you understand probability, again, that's a truth that can help you overcome your fear of losing, your fear of being wrong, and your need to be right, things like that. It just puts you in the right mindset for trading. Third point, and again, all of these truths are sort of related, as you'll see, is that an edge puts probability in your favor. So we know that, if we accept that trading is a game of probability, if we accept that the future is unpredictable, what helps us put probability in our favor is our trading edge. So if we see, for instance, I love to see reversal candlestick patterns at a resistance level, or reversal candlestick at a support level, that's something I view as an edge. You may use, moving average, or technical traders, usually it's some type of confluence, a number of technical indicators. If you clearly define your edge, then you can say, all right, when these criteria are met, probability is in my favor, it's worth putting on a trade. If price hits my stop, I know that it was an instance where I was wrong. But when you have an edge, and an edge that works, the majority of the time, or with risk reward, overall it's going to work in your favor. And that's sort of the perspective that you want to have. You're not able to say anything with 100% certainty because the future is unpredictable, but trading is a game of probability, and if you have an edge, it puts probability in your favor. There's a picture of loaded dice on the screen now because that's really what the concept is similar to. If you go to a casino, the house has an edge, and it's actually exactly the same way casinos think, meaning they know that 10% or 20% of their traders are going to win, but they know ultimately the casino has the odds are stacked in their favor. The dice are loaded in a way. They know that in the grand set, in the big scheme of things, probability is on their side. They have the edge. They control the game. With trading, if you have an edge, it's reversed, where the odds are in your favor if you have a legitimate edge. Every moment in the market is unique. This is the 4th sort of truth of trading. That's sort of one of the tricky things, whereas past is not necessarily entirely predictive or forecasting of the future. If you have an edge, it can help, but you really want to have a deep understanding of your edge, knowing when it's going to work, why it works as well, because every moment in the market is unique. That's about it. If you have questions, knowledge you want to share, join us over at informedtrades.com. Thanks, and best of luck in your trading.